press the brake when I open and flip the dick. Chiropractically, I make someone stand up close to my hips. So when they breaking down the bars, they think I ain't saying shit. This is mathematics. You can add nothing sexy. I'm resistible by proof if a label wanna act it. The first half is the full of cheese with its candy. The second is the vocal and I do that uncanny.
Unsigned hype, climbing up a mountain, I'm due for some bark. If these niggas tryna fight, coked up, thinking that I need to take lines. You got a D on the test, cause you're way past prime not to fail. Practically an F, and shout out to that man, I'm a fan of success. Relatability is me and something I respect. So in that case and that, I still pass the test. The stats, fucking people trying to play me like I'm not in style. My greatest hits a double every album you compile. I'm running games, smoking tracks like a black and mild. Picking up the generation, calling from a block and dial. They say that rap changed, wanna salute me, but I can't space and enter to a whole new data page. My bars alone span Spain and bring rap back to the classics and the lyricism golden age. They know it's real, refuse to respect it. I'm underrated, but was chosen due to natural selection. Competition isn't something that I see, I direct it. Then go to war with the person that I see in reflection. Still breaking every record. Like I'm being rabid, popping docs, writing word classics. My punchlines 8 miles. If they do not understand it, it's longer than they comprehension. Not to mention, my independency has been ignored. It's sold out, it's applied to my name. It's cause Dax, the brand, ain't available inside the stores and marked up due to an external mediary force. You wanna hit some more? I got these demons in my head trying to pull me, so I'm always playing tug of war on the edge, fall until I grab a bottle, take it to the head, and I pass out and I wake up on the fucking floor. You're fucking nuts, bro. Yeah, shot after shot, thought after thought. Schizophrenic tendencies while grabbing on a mop overnight, cleaning, scrubbing on the same damn spot. Praying for a miracle while looking up to God and remembering your broke ass still on the clock. And that 725 that you paid ain't enough for a lawyer for that bitch. You just called the cop back. I was struggle, that type of crime, that type of hustle. You couldn't do it, I can see it in your eyes. You couldn't last a fucking day in my shoes and no way. You would last a second in my mind. But I digress. So you get bitter in this world when it shows you no respect.
Thank you.